Alright, so that's the entirety of their menu. It's a really small menu, which I appreciate. They don't go too hog wild. Steak sandwich is what I got. Lasagna, pepper steak, pizza steak, Ronnie steak. Then they got chips and drinks. Pretty sweet. Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm trying out a new cheesesteak place that my buddy Frank told me about. So thank you, brother. Brother from another mother. Now I've never eaten here before, so here she is. It's parked in, I'm down in Seattle. Oh, it smells good. Meaty. Yeah, I got kind of meat coming out everywhere. Alright, so before I take a bite, there she is. You see sliding down the seat towards the back. So I'm gonna take a bite. It looks real good. Alright, I'm gonna get a napkin out for this. There she is. It's kind of messy. Really messy. Tell you what though, that's a good sandwich. Wow. So I got mine without meat, or no, sorry. I got mine without onions, because I don't like onions, but I had them add mushrooms. And then I had 4 options of cheese: provolone, whiz, mozzarella, and white American. I asked the guy what he liked. He said he liked the whiz, so that's what I went with. Alright, so here's a close-up. It's pretty messy, but man, they put a lot of meat in there. You got the mushrooms in there, the whiz, and it's delicious, I'll tell you that. Would eat here again. The bread is good too. You know, the bread is the foundation of a good sandwich, and the bread's real tasty, soft, meat's delicious and juicy. Well, I tell you what, this has been the most enjoyable sandwich, but it is, meat's just falling out of it left and right. See? It's good though, really good. It's a solid sandwich. I tell you what, that was an excellent sandwich. I enjoyed every bite, and my shirt got some too, and so did my pants, the cup holder, the armrest, and the door. I'm actually glad I have a whole stack of napkins in my center console for cleaning up. That was excellent though. Really good, delicious. The meat, the cheese, the spread, the whiz. Man, phenomenal. I'll be eating here again for sure. Even though parking's kind of a pain in the ass, to be honest. There's a parking lot right next to it, but it's connected to a... it's funny because right next to the place, it's right on the street, but behind it, it looks like there's an apartment complex that goes out like an L, and the apartment parking lot is for residents only, so you can only park in the street. So kind of a hassle to get to, but worth it in my opinion, because they had a really good sandwich. And I will be eating here again anytime, any day. And it's really not that far from home. I mean, even though it's Seattle. So, anyway, I appreciate you watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'll catch you next week for the next video. And have a good one.